How to fix printer not printing anything on paper. There are a few reasons why your printer might not be printing anything on paper. Here are some of the most common causes and how to fix them. Empty ink cartridges. If your ink cartridges are empty, your printer will not be able to print anything. Check the ink levels in your cartridges and replace them if necessary. Clogged printhead. If the printhead in your printer is clogged, it will not be able to dispense ink onto the paper. You can try cleaning the printhead using the instructions in your printer's manual. Paper jam. If there is a paper jam in your printer, it will not be able to print anything. Check the printer for any paper jams and clear them if necessary. Wrong paper type. Make sure that you are using the correct paper type for your printer. Some printers require special paper, such as photo paper or glossy paper. Printer driver issue. If the printer driver on your computer is not installed properly, your printer may not be able to print anything. You can try reinstalling the printer driver or updating it to the latest version. If you have tried all of the above and your printer is still not printing anything, you may need to contact the printer manufacturer for assistance. Here are some additional tips for troubleshooting printer problems. Check the printer's status light. The status light on your printer can tell you if there is a problem with the printer. If the light is flashing or blinking, there is a problem with the printer. Print a test page. If you are still having trouble, you can try printing a test page. This will help you to determine if the problem is with the printer or with your computer. Restart your computer and printer. Sometimes, restarting your computer and printer can fix printer problems. Uninstall and reinstall the printer driver. If you have tried all of the above and your printer is still not printing anything, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the printer driver.